Welcome to another episode of Vic's Garage. Today I got the last little bit of disassembly before I take it to get blasted. I got to get these quarter windows out on the 3rd gen here, 71 Charger. I looked around, I couldn't really find any instruction for it. I found a couple videos for 2nd gens, but there was nothing for 3rd. So I fiddled around with the driver's side. I got it out. Once it was out, I was able to look at how it's assembled, and I think I have an easier way to take it out of there. So I'm going to try it now at the passenger side, and hopefully it works out. So, like always, let's get started. All right. So first thing is I'm going to get the little trim piece out here. I already got a couple clips popped out. Let's use a little flathead screwdriver, and I kind of pop the clips out. Let me see. No. And just go slow because it's easy to bend this. It's very thin metal chrome. Maybe get a little pry from the front. But I found generally just popping it from the bottom. Got it out. There. So you can see how the clips are. They just sit over in the channels here. Okay, vapor barrier off. The main bolts. So essentially the window's attached to a giant track, from what I gathered when I took it out. And there's the regulator. So you could take, it looks like, the track out and then the regulator separate. So first thing we gotta do is remove the I guess it's a guard / guide at the top. You need a star screwdriver. Okay, so after this guide, channel, I don't know, after that piece is out, there's a couple 7/16 bolts you got to do here. 2 here, and 1 down here at the bottom. So do those. So now you can see it's mostly free. So next, and I'll show you on the one I took out. All right guys, this is the driver's window assembly I took out. So it was like this in the channel. So this bolt here goes through this and it connects the 2 pieces. And this is the one you're gonna get through that little hole I'm gonna show you in a second. And that's how you're gonna separate the window and the track from the regulator. So use your 9/16 through this hole and you can get it. Make sure you grab all the pieces. There's the long bolt with the spring. And here we go. Out it comes. Nice and easy. There's your 50-year-old glass out of your car. So now the remainder of the regulator assembly to come out is pretty straightforward. You've got 3 7/16 bolts and the regulator handle, and then that'll just lift right out on its own. So we'll do that now. And the regulator handle uses an Allen key. Two. And I just reach in here and hold it so it doesn't fall. And you have to remember there's a track right here, and one of the arms just slides right into it.